In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Google Photos. While Google Photos doesn't have a single Find Duplicates button, it does give you a few tools that make spotting and removing duplicates much easier. I'll walk you through the most effective built-in method first, then show you two helpful ways to narrow things down manually. Start with the feature called Stack Similar Photos. This groups similar-looking shots into tidy stacks so you can quickly compare and keep the best one. Open Google Photos, tap your profile picture, and go to Photo Settings. Under Preferences, turn on Stack Similar Photos. Once that's enabled, head back to your photo library. You'll start to see stacks where Google Photos has grouped near-identical images like burst shots, multiple takes of the same scene, or even screenshots taken close together. Open a stack, review the images side by side, keep the best version, and delete the extras. Take a moment to check focus, lighting, and composition so you're confident you're keeping the strongest photo. If you still suspect duplicates are hiding, use Google Photos' powerful search to narrow things down manually. You can search by person, place, object, or date. For example, try typing beach, dog, or a specific year like 2025. Focus on times or themes where you know you took many similar pictures, then scan for repeats and remove any extras. This approach is especially helpful when you remember an event or location and want to clean up a cluster without scrolling your entire library. Another handy spot is the Utilities section. From the main screen, tap Search, then open Utilities. Here, Google may surface groups like screenshots, blurry photos, large videos, and similar moments. While this isn't a true duplicate finder, it's excellent for clearing common clutter that often feels like duplicates. Review what's suggested, keep what matters, and remove what you don't need. One important thing to know: Google Photos usually prevents exact duplicates from being uploaded in the first place, even if the file names are different. That means exact carbon copies often won't appear twice. However, near duplicates, like slightly edited versions, cropped copies, or multiple shots of the same subject, can still slip through, which is where stacking, search, and utilities really help. With these tools, you can quickly identify repeat photos, keep the best versions, and declutter your library with confidence. Take your time, review carefully, and you'll have a cleaner, more organized Google Photos collection.